Okay, so incorporating trig identities. So two trig identities. So this one is going to be using sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. And it doesn't actually matter. As long as you've got the same thing in the brackets, then the trig identities will hold. So i.e. sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. I can replace x with 3 theta, and then sine squared of 3 theta plus cos squared of 3 theta is also equal to 1. So as long as they match, the trig identity will still hold. So in order to solve this, I want to convert sine squared 3 theta into 1 minus cos squared 3 theta. And then the other thing I need to do is change my domain. So I'm looking for solutions between 0 and 120 for theta. So it's between 0 and 360 degrees for 3 theta. At this time, you might want to let x equal cos 3 theta. Don't always put a bracket in there actually. And then you end up with 2 lots of 1 minus x squared equals 1 minus x. That gives you 2x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. And from there, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus a half. So we're looking between 0 and 360 on the cos curve. So cos 3 theta equals 1. That gives me 3 theta is equal to 0 or 3 theta is equal to 360 degrees. So I'm either going to be there or there. And x equals minus a half gives me cos 3 theta equals minus a half. And so from your calculator, 3 theta equals 120. So 120 forwards, 120 back. 3 theta equals 240. Sorry, move that over slightly. And then dividing through by 3. So 0 divided by 3 is 0. 360 divided by 3 is 120. 120 divided by 3 is 40. And 240 divided by 3 is 80 degrees. So 4 solutions there. So it's just really incorporating everything that we've done on trig, that question. And then similarly for tan equals sine over cos. So if you've got something like sine of x plus 30 equals 4 cos x plus 30, then I can divide both sides by cos of x plus 30. So tan theta sine theta over cos theta. If I replace theta with x plus 30, get that trig identity. So sin x plus 30 over cos x plus 30. So tan of x plus 30 is equal to 4, and then you can do shift tan of 4 that gives you 76.0 degrees, and then taking 30 away, x is 46.0 degrees. Sorry, I didn't put any limits on that. Let's be really lazy and do 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 180, and then obviously you should have added 30 onto that at the beginning. So we'd be looking for solutions between 30 and 210, and then taking 30 away to take us back between 0 and 180.